Abigail, Ground and Grow Yoga, and the next posture we're going to look at in our Return to Basics series is Badha Konasana, or butterfly bound angle pose. So hop on your mat. Let's start with what traditionally Badha Konasana looks like. The Badha Konasana is the feet together, soles of the feet together. We have our heels coming in towards the groin, and we're sitting up nice and tall. We have a straight spine. Oftentimes this will be followed by a forward fold into the posture, but it's about having the knees bent, feet together, heels in towards the groin. Common complaints that people usually have is groin pain, knee pain, low back pain, or hip pain. The easiest one to address to start is the groin pain. So if we move our feet further away from the groin, then we have less of a groin stretch. As you either move further into your practice for the day, you might bring the heels closer to you, or over time in your yoga practice, you might bring the heels closer to you. But starting out, you can have the heels as far away as is comfortable, and that releases any tension in the groin. The next easy fix is to take your blocks and bring them underneath the knees. Now, the knee joint does not have as much pressure on it because we're supporting the knees. Remember, also your blocks have multiple heights, and so you can play around with what your knees need there. Also, if you have the feet all the way in, you can still use the blocks here under your knees, even though it's more under my legs at this point. And so that releases that pressure. As far as the back, there are a couple options that you could do. Some people will still sit up on a block like we did with Easy Seat. If you enjoyed this video, check out the rest of my Return to Basics series. Also make sure you're subscribed so you know when a new video comes out. And leave a comment below if there's a particular type of yoga pose or breathing exercise that you are interested in learning more about. Remember to keep grounding down into your strengths and growing as an individual. Have a wonderful day. Namaste.